Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I will show you how to add a CSS class to a text block in Webflow. So this is a new page, this is a new text block, and you can see that no CSS class is applied yet by just checking the style selector on the top right. So if there would be a CSS class applied already, here would be something like a badge showing up. And now we want to change that. So let's imagine we want to have a heading style class. Let's just name it like this. And now we see the badge here, and we can apply any kind of style to this heading class. So for example, we can change the weight of the text, and we want to increase the size of the text. And yeah, we can also change all sorts of things. And why do we do this? So let's imagine we are using a new text block now. And as you can see now, this text block has no style. This text block has a style applied. But I can very, very easily apply the same style that I have on the right by just adding the class to the new text block, and now both of them looks the same. This is basically how you add a CSS class to your text in Webflow. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Otherwise, I really appreciate a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.